Morning. Morning, guys. This morning, we're coming out here this morning to see if we can kill something this morning, guys. Barra hunting time. Let's try by that tank right here. Work our way in. Top water lure, guys. That's what's up. Early morning lure fishing, guys. Let's get on the side of that tank. Yeah, guys, we're gonna try that way. Let's try on either side. Get him out there, guys. Right off the edge. Right off the edge of that reef, guys. There's a reef, there's a drop off right there, guys. Drops about 18 to 20 feet deep. Not getting any chases so far, guys. Let's try this way. I hit you on some bushes. Get that off. There's bait fish all over here, guys. I don't want to use a twitch bait right here because what happened is the twitch bait's going to get hitched because it's going to dive. You definitely don't want that. So what I'm trying to do is get on that edge of that reef, get through that bait ball. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, he got off. Oh no, he's still on. Little small barra. Look at the size of this little guy. Look at this, guys. This is ridiculous. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Look at this. Barra on the twitch. There goes another small one right there, guys. I don't know if you can see him in the water. But these are small, guys. I mean, I've caught 10-20 pound barras, and I just want to get a picture of this guy and real quick on the lure, and then we'll let him go. Calm down. Let's see if we can get a better shot this way. Yeah, guys. So, mission accomplished. 1 barra down. But we're gonna let this guy go. We're not gonna keep this guy. He's kind of small. So, let's get him off the hook. And guys, when you're dealing with these barracudas and treble hooks, please use the proper tools, because what you don't want to do is get hurt with one of these hooks. It's very serious when one of these hooks hold you. So make sure you get the proper tools, guys, like a pair of pliers, your lip grip tool, pliers like this, and lip grip tools to hold the fish, so you can remove the hook safely without injuring yourself. This guy got hooked pretty good, and I got to get this hook out and release him safely and get him back in the water, guys. All right, we have another one that was in the water right there, but these guys are kind of small. I was looking for something a little bit bigger. So let's get this guy back in the water, get him released. Oh, shit, I hope he's not dead. Go ahead, little fella. Let's get him back up there. Oh, he's gonna get going. He's gonna get going in a second. He just gotta get some water passing through his gills. He's turning over now. He's good to go. He's good to go. These guys are tough guys. There he go. There he go. There he go. There he go, little fella. That's right, little fella. Off you go, guys. Nice and safe. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. There goes that little fella. He's alright. He's good to go. That's what's up, guys. We have fun this way. Let's get him out there. See if we can get something this way. Get something bigger. Yeah, guys, I didn't really make a video this weekend. I was busy painting the house, guys. Thank you guys for watching, guys. Big up yourselves. Yeah, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a support on the thing, man. Trying to get this channel monetized, get you guys some better content. So, one of my favorite lure spots, guys. Good activity here. Big fish, small fish, all kinds of activity. So, sun's out this morning, guys. Just killing a bit of time. Yeah, guys, that's what's up. Let's get past that little drum right there. Yep. Let me get further down this way, guys. Way down there, guys. There There's an old wreck or something right there. I don't want that thing to drop too low. That's real shallow water, guys. That's why I keep my rod tip up and not down, so the lure won't go down too much. So I'm just working my way up the water, guys. You see that? And retreating. Alright, we're gonna go down a little bit further. See what else we can pick up this one. Ouch! That hurt. Gotta be careful with them treble hooks, guys. They hit you. Making shore fishing. Making lure fishing.